In this video, I'm going to show you how to reveal text on demand in a Google Slides presentation. So let's say you're working on a slide and you want to have the text appear after you've talked about them and only when you demand them to come out. It's actually quite easy. All we have to do is to animate all these texts in order and on click. So first, what you're going to do is to, again, determine which of these texts you want to go first. So let's do that. So if you want this one to come out first, we're going to select it. So it's the first one that you're going to select. Right click on it, then select animate. And here we have the motion panel on the right where we have our pre-selected animation type as appear. So if you don't want the appear animation type, you can always change it right here and select from these options. It's totally up to you. I want this one to fade in. So let me select that, and the start condition would always be on click. We want it to be on click because again, this is going to be on demand. They're only going to appear if you click on the slide for them to appear. So that's that. And if you want the duration or the speed of that animation to be fast or slow, it's totally up to you. I think we're just going to stick with our 1 second duration right here. If we click on play to have a preview of how this would look like, if I click on it, there it is. Only will then it appear if I click on the slide. So that's on your demand. Let's click on stop and move on to the next element. So you figure out the first one that you want to appear. Let's go to the second one. I want to have this text to be the second to appear. So again, you can just select that. Then go to add animation on the right after your first animation. So this will go in order. This will go first, then the next thing that you animate will go second. So click on add animation. There you have it. You'll see that it's highlighting the element or the text that you want to animate next. So if I click on this one, you'll see it's highlighting our title. If I click on the next one, it will highlight that one as well. So again, our pre-selected animation type will be appear. If you don't want that, again, just select from different options that we have here. I want this one to be flying in from the left. There we go. Again, our start condition will be the same on click. Duration time or the speed will be totally up to you. Let's say this one, we can make it 1.2 seconds. Just for variation, maybe 1.5. There we go. Let's see what it would look like. So let's click on play. So for, let's say, an introduction, we're going to say the title. If we click on it, our title will appear and some additional text at the bottom. If we click on it, then will it only appear? And there you have it. So again, this is in order on how you want it to appear. But if you do want to move around some of your animations, you can always do so by just clicking on the right side. You'll see that my cursor has changed into this cross arrow right here. If I click on it and drag it up, you'll see that now our text right here will come in first before our title. So the order is also important. If you want that one to come out first, it's totally up to you. You can do that, but I'm just going to put it back and have the title come in first before this additional text at the bottom. And lastly would be the name of the presenter, which would be me. That's not really my name, just for example's sake. So let's select that. We have the shape and the text grouped together. And again, just go to add animation on the right. There you have it. Again, it will be highlighted and just select your animation type. I'm going to go for flying from the right this time. So we had this from the left. Now flying in from the right. Still, start duration is on click. This time, let's make it a bit faster, maybe 5 seconds, just to see the variation of the duration for each of these animation types. So let's go to play and see what it looks like. So I set a title. Here it is. Some additional information at the bottom. There you go. And the last one would be my name. And there you have it. So these are all on demand because our start durations would all be on click. They will not come out unless you click on the slide or you demand them to come out. So if I go to slideshow right here we have our title slide. If I click on the screen, here we have the title. Next one would be our additional text, which just came out because I clicked on the slide. And for the name, which will appear right here, if I click, will it then come out? And there you have it. That's how to reveal text on demand for your Google Slides presentation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.